Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Novilia M. Andini with NPM 2241217 from Accounting Class 22A, Accounting Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business. In this video, I will explain 5 ethical theories, namely deontology theory, utilitarianism theory, rights theory, virtue theory, and theonomist theory. So, the first ethical theory is deontology theory. Deontology theory comes from the Greek deon, which means obligation. Deontology ethics emphasizes the human obligation to act well. This theory was pioneered by Immanuel Kant in the 1124 to 1804 years. For example, the story of Robin Hood who stole because he had an obligation to help poor people. This is called ethical if it is seen from the goal of helping the poor, but robbery is not justifiable. Another example is honesty. Next, the second ethical theory is utilitarianism theory. Utilitarianism comes from the Latin words utilitas, which then becomes English utility, which means useful. Utilitarianism ethics is ethics based on the principle of benefit or utility. This principle makes use of it as a measure to judge whether a certain moral action can be justified or not. This theory was pioneered by David Hume 1711 to 1776 and developed by Jeremy Bentham 1748 to 1832. In the year 2000, Bentham stated that an action could be said to be good if it brought benefits to as many members of society as possible. The third ethical theory is the theory of rights. The theory of rights put forward by Immanuel Kant. This theory explains that an action or deed is considered good if it is in accordance with human rights. Next, the theory consists of the first legal rights. So, legal rights based on the system or legal jurisdiction of a country. For example, the supreme law of a country is the Constitution. The basic constitution of the country concerned includes, among other things, the rights to life, the rights to freedom, the rights to happiness, and the rights to freedom of speech. The second is moral rights. So, moral rights relate to individual human person as long as they do not violate the rights of others. The third is contractual rights. So, the contractual rights binding the individuals who make a joint agreement or contract in the form of the rights and obligation of each party. The fourth ethical theory is virtue theory. This theory departs from questions about the traits or characters that a person must have in order to be called the human being and the traits that reflects the despicable human being. Example of these qualities of virtue is wisdom, justice, humility, honesty, fairness, and tenacity. The fifth or final ethical theory is theonomist theory. This theory says that the moral character of man is determined essentially by his relationship with God's will. If you follow all orders, it is morally considered good and vice versa. That's an explanation of the 5 ethical theories. That's all from this video. If I have said something wrong, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again in the next video.